Hello and thanks for joining me today. I wanted to take a minute and walk you through our website at careers.advanté-BCS.com. A customized careers website is part of our digital employment marketing service package, and the idea is that you can level the playing field with large national competitors by having a careers website such as you find at Walmart or Target or any other major employer. On your customized careers website, we're going to do our best to present your company in a positive manner, shining a bright light on the offer that you have for prospective employees. You will see that the website is set up to be easy to use, so we've got prominent call to actions on the top of the site, including view all jobs, sign up for job alerts, as well as a contact us button. The website also features information for your benefits, your culture, and your hiring process. I'm going to go ahead and click on the benefits link now, and you're going to see the slider window advances so that a prospective employee can see all the benefits that your company has to offer them as an employee. In addition to benefits, we have information available for the culture. As you know, it's very important that your employees feel like they're going to be in a place where they fit in with the existing company culture. Last but not least, we have options available to view your hiring process. This can be as detailed as you want, but in general, this is going to be a guide for the users about how to use the website to find available jobs and how to reach out to you independently of the website. If we go back to the main website and we use the View All Jobs link, what's going to happen is that the page will advance down to allow us to view open positions. As you'll see here, we're currently hiring for Creative Director, but we also have some other positions that are available from time to time, and the user might want to sign up for job alerts. When a prospective employee is on your website and they view the details for any active position, they're going to get a new slide-out window with all of the information available for that position, with the idea that they could also fill out a contact form directly from your website to reach out to you about the possibility of being employed in that position. Behind the scenes, in addition to the content that you see for our job posting, there is some coding that is useful for Google to be able to figure out and index any open positions that you have. This coding, which resides in the website, is going to allow Google to create a listing for you in their jobs section. In this example, you'll see that we have a job listed. There are some paid ads at the top, but it's worthwhile to note that the Jobs section is a free feature on Google. Now, what's going to happen when Google does index a job on your careers website is that they will create an independent listing in their system. If the user is to click the Get Details, you're going to see that all the information from your careers website is populated right here directly within Google. Coming back to our careers website, if we look at other positions, you'll notice that the user has an option to sign up for job alerts. What that's going to do is take them to a form which they can fill with their name and email address. When a user submits that form, we're going to keep their information on our end and add them to a mailing list so that we can contact them when new positions do become available. In addition to the features we've explored, we're also going to highlight some imagery from your company. We're going to talk about your mission and value statements. The idea for the website overall is to give a brief and favorable introduction to your company, so that a qualified individual who might be a good match for you is going to reach out and contact you about your career offerings. Again, this is all part of our digital employment marketing service, and if you're interested in learning more, we'd love to meet with you and explore the opportunities to work together.